Hi guys, let's see how to use director mode in Snapchat app. So to enable director mode, what you have to do, make sure you are in the camera tab. Now what you have to do, you have to just tap on this plus icon and just select director mode. Now this director mode gives you many extra features. For example, if you tap on this green screen, and you can choose any background image, okay, any background image which you want, okay, and now you can send the snap having that background. Okay, now the second thing which you can do using the director mode is you can have dual camera. So how to use that dual camera? First, enable director mode by tapping the plus and enabling the director mode. Now just tap on the dual camera, okay, and now you can see this face of mine in this. Now you can select this type of mode where half of the portion will be my photo, my video, and another one will be back camera. So front and back camera, and the up and in the down. So these three modes are there which you can use in director mode, dual camera. Okay. Also you can add lenses. Tap on the lenses, choose any lens, and then you can use that particular kind of lens. So these are many of the features which you can use in the director mode in Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Please do like.